one about the bears is one that I really like, because the bears in the fall, they come out in huge numbers in the rivers in Canada, the United States, and all over. And they, when they get into the fish, they use a gluttonous attack on fish and ate them so quickly, and that they made a glutton of themselves, and yet it was done by design. The amount of bear that they swallow is really outrageous, and they eat so much that the person or the thing that is eating them lays layer of good strong meat on the ribs, and do so before they have become saturated entirely, so that when they go back to their hives, go back to their caves, they are prepared to hibernate and have sufficient food that they can live all winter and still have enough food left over to go out in the spring and start to eat off of the line of residue that is in their body right then. And not only that, but when there's a female in there, one of the first things she does is start to feed baby bears. And where does it come from? Just from her body, which is absolutely ridiculous that any source could do that much in providing food for their whole family. And then in the spring, the bears have grown so much that they are ready to step outside and taste the weather. And well, they do so with the help of their mother, and they will step outside and perhaps come upon odd bits of food that they'll be able to eat what they needed and be able to feed their cubs and that, so that they can start to enjoy little bits of food that normally wouldn't be there. And that is one way that we learn how nature provides the substance that is necessary to provide the health and happiness